Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to make text italic in messages on your iPhone. Yes, you heard right. You can actually italicize text in your iPhone messages, and it's easier than you might think. Many people don't realize this feature exists because it's not immediately obvious. But don't worry, in this quick guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to do it. We'll cover a simple built-in method and even touch on some workarounds. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Rome Tips for more iPhone tips and tricks. We upload new content regularly to help you get the most out of your devices. Okay, so let's get started with the main method, using Markdown. Unfortunately, the native Messages app doesn't have a dedicated italic button, like in some word processors. Instead, we use Markdown, a simple formatting language. To italicize text in your iPhone messages, you simply need to surround the text you want to italicize with single asterisks. Let's look at an example. Suppose you want to say, "This is important." In your message, you would type, "This is important." Then when you send the message, the word important will appear in italics to the recipient, assuming they are viewing it on a device that supports Markdown. This generally includes iPhones and Macs. Now, keep in mind that some messaging apps, especially those outside the Apple ecosystem, might not properly render Markdown formatting. The text might just show with the asterisks around it. Alright, that's the basic Markdown method. Now for a little bonus tip, you can also bold text using Markdown by surrounding the text with double asterisks. So, asterisk asterisk this is very important. Asterisk asterisk would send this is very important in bold. And you can even combine bold and italics using triple asterisks, so asterisk 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 this is incredibly important. Asterisk 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 would send this is incredibly important in bold italics, or as close as you can get on iPhone. While there's no built-in alternative to Markdown in the Messages app, some third-party keyboard apps might offer dedicated formatting options. However, relying on a third-party keyboard can sometimes be a security risk, so always do your research and choose a reputable app. So that's it. That's how you italicize text in messages on your iPhone. It's a simple trick, but it can definitely help you emphasize certain words and get your point across more effectively. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments if you have any other questions about iPhone messaging. Until next time, happy roaming.